This is the Snowboard Graveyard. So you've got a canoe there. So we just slide on down. Board there. Another snowboard over here. Snowboard here. Snowboard up there. One here. One there, another one there. And there's a nitro, that's pretty new, that one. Yeah. That's it, and you just keep going down. Just loads and loads of snowboards.